Celebrate this Christmas with glowing ornaments and empower kids with STEM. Here are super easy steps to make light up ornaments at home. What you will need is cutout of the Rudolph and Santa template, 2 LEDs, 2 coin cell batteries, colors and markers, clear tape and scissors. Download the template from the link. Cut out Santa and the reindeer. Color and design it. Punch holes on Santa and reindeer's nose. Now take the LED and coin battery. The long leg is the positive lead and the short leg is the negative lead. When the positive touches the positive side of the battery and the negative touches the negative side of the battery, it glows. When the positive touches the positive side of the battery and the negative touches the negative side of the battery, it glows. The circuit is complete. Secure the connection with tape. Take the glowing LEDs and poke it in. Tape it to the ornament. It's time for the big reveal. Your glowing Christmas ornaments are ready. Have fun and charm your family and friends.